Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss what are arithmetic operators in Python. So before we start, we would like to request you to please subscribe our channel, as that will motivate us to bring more informative videos in future. So without any delay, let's get started. What are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform usual mathematical computations. So if Python is not the first language you are learning and you are also familiar with any other programming languages, you know that all languages have their own arithmetic operators. In some cases, the way you write them is different, but the actions they perform are mostly the same. They are the basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, finding remainders, etc. Okay? So let's proceed. These are the arithmetic operators that are provided in Python. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Okay. Basically, what are these? So the first four you are already familiar with. Addition adds two numbers. Subtraction basically subtracts one number from another. Multiplication, which you represent by an asterisk, is used to find the product of two numbers. And the single oblique division is used to perform division, that is, you divide one number by another number. The next one is modulus, which helps you to find the remainder of a division. Thereafter you have two things, that is the exponentiation. Basically, if you want to write 2 to the power 3, in normal you will write 2 and in superscript you will write 3. But here you will write 2 then double asterisk 3. That means 2 to the power 3, basically 8. Okay. The last but not the least is your floor division. Floor division is also a special kind of division, but the fact is that it doesn't return you the decimal part of your quotient. It basically returns the lowest possible integer of your division quotient. Okay. Basically, if you divide 5 and then floor division 2, so in normal case 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5. But here if you write 5 floor division 2, you will get 2. Because in normal division the answer is 2.5, but in floor division they omit the decimal part. So the lowest integer which is near to 2.5 is 2. So therefore you will get 2. Okay. So we have done enough of theory. Let's go to VS Code and understand by some examples. Welcome to VS Code. Here we are going to see what are the basic arithmetic operators and how we can use them. So here I have initialized two numbers, a equal to 9 and b equal to 2. Thereafter we are performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. So let's run the code and see the output. So I will open the terminal and write python 7.py. Okay. Now you can see the output. So we will discuss each one of them. 9 plus 2 has to be 11. So you are getting addition 11. 9 minus 2 is 7. So you are getting subtraction 7. 9 into 2, that is 18. You are getting multiplication 18. 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. You are getting division colon 4.5. Thereafter modulus 9 modulo division 2. Here you will get 1. The reason is when you divide 9 by 2, the remainder is always 1. That is why modulus 1. Thereafter 9 double asterisk 2. Basically 9 to the power 2. So 9 into 9 is 81. So exponentiation a asterisk asterisk b is equal to exponentiation 9 to the power 2, that is 81. Okay. The last but not the least is your floor division. So floor division means 9 floor division 2. So in normal case it is 4.5, but when you do floor division you get the integer part. So you get only 4. Okay. So I hope this is pretty easy and you are clear with it. In case you are not clear, I will post the link of the document in the description section. You can go and read it. And if you face any issue, please let us know. Let's go back to our slide. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.